Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. I'm going to show you how to create this great bond. I will use 100% acrylic yarn, it's medium 4. You can use whatever yarn that you prefer, depend of the yarn that you use. Maybe your bond will be bigger or smaller than this one. With this yarn, I will use 4.25 millimeters hook. If you decide to use another hook, also that can change the size on your bond. We need wool needle and scissors. And this is all the material you need to make this bond. I will use this bond for a big Christmas crown. Then don't forget to subscribe on this channel and activate the bell, and YouTube will send you notification when we upload that video. Then let's start. We will use for all the bond the red color yarn, and let's start with a slip knot and 60 chains. 1, 2, soft chains, soft, big. 3, 4, and just continue doing chains until you are 60. If you want to make bigger bond than this one, you can make more chains on the beginning. Then when you finish the 60 chains, we will make one slip stitch on the back of the first one. It's not a traditional back loop. In each chain, you have a loop on the back there. And make sure that you leave all the chains in the correct position, okay? I prefer there, but if you want to use the traditional back loop or you want to insert the hook in another place on the chain, you can also do it, okay? But I like the result using the back loop. Then 2 chains. And we will make 59 half double crochet, one in each chain that we have on the beginning. I'm already made 1 half double crochet, then the second one, the third, and just continue doing half double crochet until you are 59. The chains on the beginning, the 2 chains, will be like a half double crochet. I like that result in the base. The chains looks beautiful. Then just continue doing half double crochet. And for the end, after 59 half double crochet, 1 slip stitch on the second chain here, 1 slip stitch to close the round. That's it. This is the first round. Now from round 2 to 10, 2 chains on the beginning, 1 and 2, and then 59 half double crochet taking normally. 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until you are 59 and finish the round with the slip stitch on the second chain. Repeat exactly the same in the next rounds until you are 10 rounds. If you want to make more rounds because your bond is bigger than this one, you can also do it. But I'm already made 10. After 10 rounds, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough just to close in the center of this piece. Then pay close attention and you can see how to do that. For the small piece that we will put on the center of the bone, let's start with a slip knot and 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the second chain from the hook, let's start 60 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we already finished the first round. From round 2 to 10, 1 chain on the beginning and then 60 half double crochet starting here. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, on round 3, 1 chain on the beginning and then 60 half double crochet. Just continue repeating exactly the same 10 times in total, 10 rounds. If your bone is bigger than this one, then you will need made more rounds. But for this size, just with 10 rounds will be enough. I'm already finished 10 rounds, then 1 chain just to secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough for make the union later with the bone. Then I'm already made the second piece, and because it's exactly the same than the previous piece. You will start with 7 chains, then starting on the second chain from the hook, 6 half double crochet, and then from round 2 to 36, you will repeat 1 chain and turn and 6 half double crochet. 36 rounds in total for the second piece. And then pay close attention and you can see how to make the union with the bone. And I will sewing because the second piece we don't need sewing and nothing. Pay close attention before decide use glue, okay? If you prefer use glue. And then we already finished this big bun. I hope and you really enjoy this video tutorial, and if it's like that, don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification when we upload the next video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. I'm appreciated, and bye!